Hey guys, this is Andrew from MarineMax Danvers. Today I'm going to be walking you through a brand new boat of ours. It's a Sea Ray 370 Sundancer outboard. Starting back with the outboards, you're going to see this boat's powered with V12 600 horsepower engines. Max horsepower on this boat, and it's plenty of power to get you up on plane where you need to be. Walking into the cockpit here, you're going to see Sea Ray does a nice job of using space, very accommodating U-shaped seating, great for hanging out when you're at the sandbar or when you're underway. Over here on the port side, you're going to see our summer kitchen. There's a fridge, trash receptacle here, grill, and a sink underneath. Tucks out of the way if you don't want to use it, but it's there, and it's for you to enjoy the summer and cook what you need. With the wraparound seating here, you can see it's going to come right into the helm. This helm is a 2-wide seat, as well as on the port side seat. Very nice for cruising. This boat does have the open coupe version, so it's going to have full glass in the front and half on the side. Good airflow coming in and out. Now, making our way down into the cabin, you're going to see forward there's a V-berth that converts into a bunk, but it also comes down to be a couch. Over here on the port side, you're going to see a little dinette, little kitchen area with the sink. Over in the head, you're going to see this 370 does have a separate shower. Very desirable on a boat of this size. And in the mid cabin, you are going to see there's another sleeping space. This boat sleeps 4 very comfortably. Making our way up, you're going to see the 370 is all one level, so there's no steps. Very easy to make your way up into the bow. And up on the bow, this is going to be the best spot in the house. You're going to have a 3-row seat with armrest right where you want to be to enjoy the summer. So for more information on this 370 Sundancer, please give us a call at MarineMax Danvers. My number is 978-879-3721. Thanks.